Good morning everyone. Today we are going to the new topic entropy changes in ideal gas. First of all, we will discuss about the temperature dependence of entropy. In which we will study the change in entropy with the temperature at a constant volume and the change in entropy with temperature at constant pressure. The equation change in entropy with respect to temperature at constant volume shows the relation with heat capacity at constant temperature with respect to temperature. If temperature changes from T1 to T2, then the change in entropy will be given as within the limits T1 and T2. It is supposed that in this temperature range Cv does not depend on temperature. So Cv would be a non-variable function which can be out of integration values, and finally we will get delta S equals to Cv ln T2 by T1. It is a log to the base e. When it converts into log to the base 10, del S would be equal to 2.303 Cv log to the base 10 T2 by T1. For n moles of the ideal gas, the entropy change is given as del S equals to 2.303 nCv log to the base 10 T2 by T1. And second one, the change in entropy with temperature at constant pressure, in which the change in entropy with respect to temperature at constant pressure would be equal to the heat capacity at constant pressure at constant temperature with respect to temperature within the limits when temperature changes from T1 to T2. The change in entropy can be calculated by the formula del S integration T1 to T2 within the limits Cp dt by T. It is supposed that in this temperature range Cp does not depend on temperature, so again Cp may be written out of the integration limits, and finally for n moles of a gas we will write the equation change in entropy equals to 2.303 and Cp log to the base 10 T2 by T1. The next one, entropy change in ideal gas. The entropy of a system changes with temperature and pressure and volume. For ideal gas, the entropy change only depends on any two variables. First of all, we calculate the change in entropy when variables are temperature and volume. From the second law of thermodynamics, we know that ds will be equals to heat absorbed in reversible process with respect to temperature. According to first law of thermodynamics, the heat absorbed by the system will be equal to the internal energy of the system and work done by the system. We know that the heat capacity at constant volume is given as the change in internal energy with the change in temperature at constant volume. So the equation becomes as dq reversible will be equal to the heat capacity multiplied by temperature and work done by the system. For 1 mole of ideal gas, we substitute the value of P, which is equals to RT upon V. Therefore, the equation changes N. On both sides, we divide by temperature, so the equation changes into next equation. When system converts from state 1 to state 2, the change in entropy will be equal to heat capacity and integration value of temperature, and R is the gas constant, and change in volume within the limits V1 to V2. Suppose the heat capacity at constant volume is constant in this temperature range, then the change in entropy will be written as Cv log to the base E T2 by T1 and R log to the base E V2 by V1, and it converts into log to the base 10. The equation changes to next one. For n moles, the final equation becomes as change in entropy will be equal to NCV log to the base E T2 by T1 plus NR log to the base E V2 by V1. So we can conclude that entropy of an ideal gas changes when state changes from initial to final state and depends on initial temperature and volume and final temperature and volume. Now, when variables are temperature and pressure. From previous derivation, we know that the change in entropy will be equal to Cv log to the base E T2 by T1 and R ln V2 by V1. For an ideal gas, pressure in initial and final states P1 and P2 respectively. When we substitute the values in above equation, and we know that Cp minus Cv is equals to R. So the equation changes in delta S will be equal to Cp log to the base E T2 by T1 minus R ln P2 by P1. For n moles of ideal gas, the change in entropy will be equals to NCp log to the base E T2 by T1 minus NR log to the base E P2 by P1. Again, entropy change depends on initial and final pressure. Thank you so much.